Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to our NIRS education channel. We have been discussing the lesson. This is Jodi's Fun, right? In the previous session, I left you at the story where the interaction was going on between Jody and his father. The discussion was about the little fan which was left without a mother in the forest. The discussion continues here. Let us start today's session. Here it is, I will read it. Can I ride back with Millville and see if I can find it? Tell your ma I said you can go. Tell your ma I said you can go. He sidled back to the table and sat down. His mother was pouring coffee for everyone. He said, Ma, Pa says I can go bring back the little fan. He said, the boy said, Ma, Pa says I can go bring back the fan. She held the coffee pot in midair. What fan? The fan belonging to the doe we killed. We used the doe's liver to draw out the poison and save Pa. She gasped. Well, for pity's sake. Pa says it would be ungrateful to leave it to starve. Dr. Wilson said, That is right, ma'am. Nothing in the world comes quite free. The boy is right and his daddy is right. Millville said, He can ride back with me. I will help him find it. She set down the pot helplessly. Well, if you will give it your milk, we have got nothing else to feed it. Let us know the meaning of this paragraph. The boy asked the permission to go to the forest to his father. His father agreed and said that to inform the message to mother. Can I ride back with Millville and see if I can find it? That he wanted to go with Millville. Millville is a forester. And father agreed and said to inform to his mother. Tell your ma I said you can go. He sidled back to the table. Sidled back means walked back quietly, trying not to be noticed. Slowly, he reached the earlier place. He sat on the table. His mother was pouring coffee for everyone. Pouring means filling. His mother was his mother was pouring coffee for everyone. She was making preparation to serve the coffee. He said, Ma, Pa says I can go bring back the fan. She held the coffee pot in midair and asked, What fan? The boy went towards his mother and said that he was permitted by his father to bring the little fan. But the surprised mother stopped the work which was going on and asked, What fan? The fawn belonging to the doe we killed. We used the doe's liver to draw out the poison and save Pa. The boy reminded about the little fawn which was left without a mother in the forest, that its mother was killed by them to treat the rattlesnake's bite, right? She gasped. Well, for pity's sake. Gasped means breathe out. Well, for pit, well, for pity's sake. Pity means sympathy, kindness. For the sake of kindness, we have to bring the little fawn. For the sake of kindness, we have to bring the little fawn. We have sympathy for it. Pa says it would be ungrateful to leave it to starve. Ungrateful means not humanity. Pa says it would be not humanity. Pa says it would be ungrateful to leave it to starve. If we leave that little fawn in the forest, it suffers. It suffers lack of food and it dies from starvation. That is not humanity. We killed its mother. If it dies due to the food, it is not humanity. It is our duty to bring it back to the home and to feed it. Right? Dr. Wilson said, "That is right, ma'am. Nothing in the world comes quite free. The boy is right and his daddy is right." Dr. Wilson was at the site. He said that their opinion is right. Nothing in the world comes quite free. We can't get anything in the world freely. So everything demands, everything expects something. That the death of Fan's mother expects, that demands the that its mother expects its baby should be treated well by the family members, right? Dr. Wilson said, "That is right, ma'am. Nothing in the world comes quite free. The boy is right and his daddy is right." Mill said, "He can ride back with me. I will help him find it." Millville, the forester, said that the boy would come with him. He was ready to take the little boy to the forest to search the little fawn. They had a ra- they had decided to go to the forest and to find out the little fawn. She set down the pot helplessly. Mother kept the coffee pot helplessly. "Well, if you will give it your milk, we have got nothing else to feed it. If you will give your milk, that we don't have nothing to feed." Next, Millville said, "Come on, boy, we have got to get riding." When mother agreed, Millville, the forester, called the boy to get on his horse to search the little fawn. Ma Baxter asked anxiously at the time. Mother asked anxiously, "You will not be gone long?" He questioned curiously, "Would you come early?" "You will not be gone long" means, "Would you come early?" Jody said, "I will be back before dinner." "For sure." Before dinner means the last meal of the day. "I will come before the last meal of the day." "I will be back before dinner." "For sure." For sure means certainly. Millville mounted his horse and pulled Jody up behind him. The forester mounted means sat on the horse and took the little boy behind him. He said to Millville, "Do you think on the way?" He said to the forester Millville, "Do you think the fawn is still there?" The boy asked curiously on the way, "Do you think the fawn's still there? Is it alive? Will you help me find him?" These are the questions the boy asked the forester in the meanwhile while they were going to the forest. Then Millville replied, "We will find him if he is alive." If he is alive means if he is safe. If he is safe, if he is not attacked by other animals, we can find him. How you know it is he? How do you say that it is dauphin? How you how you know it is he? The spots were all in line. The spots on its skin, all they were in line, so it is he. On a dauphin passes, the spots are every which way. Here we can find the difference between a dauphin and a diaphane. Right? How you know it is he? How can you say that it is male? Then the boy replied, it is male because the spots were all in a line. That the spots on the little fawn were in line, so it is he. In a dauphin, if it is female, the spots would be every which way. That means here it is in the list of new words. You can find every which way means in different direction, not in particular order. If the spots are in particular line, that it is male. If the spots are not in line, means that it is female. That is the young ones recognition. This is the first episode. Here we have the 4 questions. Before going to discuss the question answers, you have to read this lesson properly and be ready for the discussion of question answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.